The 44 sounds of the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and all these letters make different sounds. Consonant sounds: B, ball, bat; C, cookies, car; D, dog, deer; F, frog, fan; G, giraffe, goat; H, horse, hen; J, jacket, jug; K, kite, kangaroo; L, lion, lotus; M, monkey, mango; N, nest, net; P, parrot, peacock; Q, queen, quail; R, rabbit, rat; S, sun, star; T, tomato, tree; V, van, vase; W, watch, warm; X, X-ray, xylophone; Y, yak, yarn; Z, zebra, zip.
Additional consonant sounds: CH, chair, chocolate; SH, ship, shoes; PH, elephant, photo; TH, voiced, this, that; TH, voiceless, think, thumb; WH, whale, whisper; NG, ring, king.